Good day folks, Sean here from Air Photography. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at the DJI Osmo Mobile 8. Now this thing's been out for a little while now. I just got my hands on one, and we're going to talk about what type of user would benefit from a device like this. Today's modern smartphones have incredible image quality and stabilization. For the most part, if you're just a casual filmer, you're just capturing your family vacations, perhaps playing fetch with your dog, you really don't need to use any type of stabilization device. The footage coming directly from your phone is going to look phenomenal. So that raises the question, what type of user would benefit from a handheld gimbal such as the Osmo Mobile 8? Gimbals are still definitely a valuable tool if you're a content creator, you're creating content for social media, perhaps you're a vlogger. And throughout this video, we're going to talk about some of these tools and how they can help benefit you. And we're going to talk about some of the upgrades of the new Osmo Mobile 8. One important update that the Osmo Mobile 8 received is the ability to rotate 360 degrees. With the 7 series, it was kind of limited, so if you're a person who was using your gimbal for tracking, you always had to be careful on the angle as it was very limited with its rotation. It could run out of space. So as a creator, if you were using it for tracking, you did have to be cautious of that. You were limited to how the gimbal could rotate while tracking you. But now with the Osmo Mobile 8, it can track you in a complete 360 degrees, which is going to be a useful new feature for some creators. And when it comes to tracking, it got an upgrade for tracking as well. In the past, of course, we could always track using the DJI Mimo app, using the built-in software. And for the most part, that does an incredible job. Using that method for tracking, you're going to have full access to all the tools built into the DJI Mimo app. But it did make it very limited if you were a person who wanted to do tracking in a very specific camera app, or perhaps you wanted to track in any other type of app, a streaming app. You just weren't able to do that. Previous generations, DJI introduced their multifunctional module. This thing had a built-in tracking camera that allowed you to track from various apps such as TikTok, if you were streaming here on YouTube, or you could track from any camera app that you chose, including the native camera app. Now, the tracking module capabilities have been brought over to the Osmo Mobile 8, but with the Osmo Mobile 8, we get a new way to track using Dockit. Now, Dockit is an Apple technology, so you do have to be using an iPhone. Essentially, it allows you to track using the cameras built into your iPhone, and it allows you to track in a wide variety of apps. Setting up Dockit is extremely simple. You can see we have NFC built right into the device here. And when we bring our smartphone close to it, you can see it's going to pick it up right away. We just have to tap on connect. It's going to configure the accessory for the first time use. And there we go. So now we can mount our smartphone in the Osmo Mobile 8, and it's going to use either the front camera or the rear camera and track you automatically, and you'll be able to track yourself in any app. And that's great for streamers. If you're doing any kind of streaming here on YouTube, TikTok, or other streaming applications, you'll be able to set it down with the built-in tripod and have the app track you. Tracking can be a really important feature for some creators. If you've got a cooking channel, you're moving around your kitchen, you can have the device track you as you're going around the different stations. Or if you have an automotive channel, you're out working in the garage doing some tutorials. Again, you can have the camera track you. It's like having your own personal cameraman. Of course, the big thing with these gimbals is stabilization. Now, as mentioned, smartphones do already have really good built-in stabilization, but just with a gimbal, you're going to get an extra layer of stabilization, especially if you're going to be doing anything with a lot of movements. And not only that, it's just getting nice, smooth cinematic shots. If you're trying to get any type of crane shot or sweeping shots, it can be really hard to do handheld, but using a gimbal makes it much easier, and you can get a lot smoother shot, especially when you extend the extension pole out and you're getting crane style shots. And that's actually another new feature of the Osmo Mobile 8, is that we have the ability to easily capture comfortable low down shots. With previous models, when you had the extension pole extended, you could tilt it up, and that's going to put it more at a natural angle. But now you can tilt it backwards as well, which you weren't able to do with older models. And now when you're doing low down shots, it's going to be at a really comfortable angle and really comfortable to hold. So for those who are capturing low down shots, getting nice cinematic shots, or perhaps you're filming one of your pets, it's going to make it a lot easier. Now let's go ahead here. I want to take a closer look at this multifunctional module because there is a lot of features and a lot of capabilities of it. There's connectors here on the magnetic mount and again on the bracket for the multifunctional module. And that way when it's connected, it'll be able to communicate with the gimbal. And the nice thing about it is that it is reversible. So if you're going to be filming yourself with these back cameras and you want to use the tracking camera, you can have the camera facing that way. But if you're going to be tracking with the front camera because you want a visual preview, all you have to do is unhook it, spin it around, and as you can see, it is reversible. It also has a built-in fill light with several different levels of brightness that you can adjust. We can also easily adjust the color temperature. And one nice feature of this fill light is we can actually adjust it with this dial here on the side. This dial has a few different purposes. You can adjust the zoom level. We can also use it to adjust focus. But we can also use that to adjust the brightness of the fill light. So you can actually do a lot with that dial there on the side. Initiating tracking with the Osmo Mobile 7 is super easy. We can use the trigger button there on the back. That'll automatically lock on to the prominent subject. If you're using the multifunctional module, it supports hand gestures. So you can easily start it tracking you and stop tracking you when you're done. But another really important feature of this multifunctional module is that it is also a microphone receiver. So you can connect up to 2 microphones directly to it. Now you do have to have it plugged into your smartphone with the included cable. Comes with a USB-C to USB-C. It supports the DJI Mic Mini, the DJI Mic 2, and their new DJI Mic 3. So this is a great all-in-one solution if you're a vlogger or you just want to have good quality audio for your content. It's just a nice, simple way to capture high quality audio. And just like all the Osmo devices, once you have a microphone connected to it, the microphone can act as a remote. You can start and stop recording just by pressing the linking button. All right, so now I have the camera tracking me in the Mimo app, and I've got my DJI Mic 3 paired to the multifunctional module. So in this configuration, we're going to have tracking. I can move around and the camera is going to stay locked onto me, and we're going to have good audio using the built-in audio receiver. So a setup like this is a great tool for social media creators and vloggers. Perhaps you have an outdoor channel and you want a camera that's able to follow you. Essentially, it's like having your very own cameraman that can stay locked onto you while you perform your activities. This multifunctional module also allows you to charge your smartphone while it's connected. And something that's new with the Osmo Mobile 8 this year is we also now have a USB-C port right there on the magnetic connector. That's something new that wasn't on previous generations. With that, you can also charge your smartphone if it's getting low in power and you still have a lot of filming to do. You can charge your smartphone just by plugging it directly in there. You don't have to have the multifunctional module attached. Now, when it comes to connecting your smartphone to the Osmo Mobile 8, you can use the included magnetic clamp that comes with it. But they also sell a MagSafe accessory. It just connects right to your phone if you have a MagSafe compatible phone. It's just a nice simple way to connect your phone and disconnect it if you're going to be putting it in and out of a pocket throughout the day. You can leave that attached directly to your phone and just pull it out when needed. Just keep in mind though that in order to use the multifunctional module, you do have to be using the magnetic clip that comes with it, as that's the only way to connect it. So for the most part, for casual everyday filming, you probably don't need a smartphone gimbal, but if you're a creator, content creator on social media, you're vlogging, you just want really smooth creative shots, then something like the Osmo Mobile 8 might be a great fit for you. There's a lot of tools built into the DJI Mimo app to allow you to do some auto editing, some nice effects and features that can make your content stand out. On top of that, they have some really nice time-lapse tools built in, which we might take a closer look at in an upcoming video. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and found it had value. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.